Do you want to know how you can hide your chat on Telegram? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can hide your chat on Telegram. Go ahead and open Telegram on your phone and tap on the person who you want to hide from your chat. So go ahead and click on the three dots button and click on archive. You can see that this contact has been archived. Now to hide it, go ahead and tap on it, and if you go ahead and click on this button, go to archive settings, you can notice that your archive will be there. So in order to hide your archive, what you can do is click on this option over here and go to archive settings, always keep archive, and you can see that your chat has been hidden. So you can also unarchive it by clicking over here, going here and clicking on archive, and it will be back to your phone. So guys, it's quite easy. Go ahead and click on it, go to your settings and click on the three dots, go to archive, and your chat will be archived and hidden from others. So this is how you hide your chat list. So you can see that if you click on this, you can hide your archive list as well, and if you pull it down, you can see your hidden chat is over there. So if you tap on it again and click on pin child interest, it will be pinned. Tap on it again and click hide from chat list, and there you go. This is how you hide your chat on Telegram. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.